Good afternoon. The chairman, Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocate Center, our legal department, co-comrades and neighbor viewers. I am Queen Mrs. Solution live from Shasha Alimosho branch. Have a case of neighbor misunderstanding reported by one Miss Atinuke Bridget Adams against Mrs. Mrs. What? Sorry? Adekunle Oluwatosin alias Iyatese and her mother. Mama is joining us. For you. Don't waste my time here. I have a lot of things to do with my precious weekend. Don't carry appropriate things come stop me. Did Mama sign this consent? Eh? Did Mama come and sign this consent because your name did it? Come in. Go ahead. What is the issue?
Okay, it has been for years. The issue has been going on. We rented that shop. They are not our landlords or landladies. Our building is in front of their building. By the time we started using that shop, the quarry has been like the quarry has been like space. This is my space. This is not your space. It has been going on for years. And whenever they have quarrel with my husband, they will always refer and insult me too. And I'm not here to say you should stop insulting me or whatever. The building that we are using owns the land where they are using. They are not paying rent for where they are using. And they are also using our lights also to sell markets at night. So the fact is that the road that they are using, that all of us are trekking and passing through, that road is so narrow. There's an incident that prompted me to come to Human Rights recently. I was standing close to my pouch. I sell phones and accessories. I was selling and I was backing the road. I could not see who was coming behind me. And I was attending to a customer. This lady, Yate Slim, was coming behind me. A lot of people have passed without hitting me, without jabbing me or whatsoever. She just passed and then jabbed me suddenly. I was shocked.
Who jacked you?
She.
Let Mama pass here.
I was shocked. So immediately I was like, who could that be? I turned and she, it was so sudden. Immediately she passed, I knew she was the one. She has been looking for a way to trouble me or to look for trouble. There was one instance where we put a POS attendant. It was raining that day. Everybody were running scatter, trying to get cover. I was considering the lady under the POS canopy. Okay, let me use nylon to cover so that the breeze will not blow water towards her. I was using nylon to cover, and then while bending, the stick of the POS canopy hit me and removed and hit me. So I used my shoulder to raise it up. This lady was in front of the counter. I brought the picture of where their counter is and the picture of where she was standing as at that time. This canopy did not near her, did not hit her. If you see what she uttered that day, if this canopy hits me or my child, I will beat you, area ballet. I was wondering that in my mind, where is she standing? Where is the canopy? I ignored her. There are so many instances that she will insult me. I won't give a word. I won't give a reply. The children will walk down. The children are very friendly because the school my daughter is going to, the primary school that she was attending, she brought her children there. They are friendly with me. They walk down to my door to play. Mommy, leave there. Mommy, leave there. They'll play with me. Immediately she sights that any one of them is close to me, like she will drag them away and say, "Oh, leave that place." Because I have only one child, she has 3. So she is praying and using it to insult me that I only have one child. That's how she keeps using, and I will not utter a word to her because I know my state. I know my medical state, and I can't go into fighting with anybody. Even it got to a stage, my husband's like, You are too cool, you are too quiet. Then if somebody you just give a slap. Like the first day I came here, I made her complain. I said, as soon as she jabbed me, let's say I also jab her back with annoyance. And she's backing her baby. And she then fall down. Maybe I jab her back and she then fall down. And something else happened to her. What will happen? They will say I've killed somebody. Violence is never the answer to when somebody is being violent to you. And she's not the reasonable type, nor the mother. If she's quarreling or looking for being troublesome, the mother will join her. Okay, look at the road. I have the picture of the road here, of where our shop is, of where their place is. They are not paying a rent of that place they are using, opposite our shop. And their house is behind us, behind our plaza. So if they are even using that, when they started that place, they were not that buoyant, as in the market was not that big. They were using a tray. And it was when Kai was disturbing them, they told my husband, please let me put our market here, because Kai is disturbing on the gutter. And before you know it, they started expanding, and they took up the whole place. They brought a big giant table. If you go there now, you won't see much of the goods they sell. You won't see much of the goods they sell on that giant table they put there. Now, my coming to human rights is to please. I know she won't stop insulting me. She can continue. Insult no dey gone for body. But what I'm fighting for is that space. The benefit for me and for all of us. Let there be space. There's a place, I have the picture here, the video here. There's a place she put her table. If you ask her now, okay, why did you jab her? She will eventually say, she was standing on the road. That's why I push her. There are so many instances like that she has pushed me. She will say, okay, because she's on the road, she will justify herself. But let that incident not occur again. Let her remove her table. They have space. If I show you the video, you will see that there are spaces. There is space for her to put her table. So that people, even customers used to complain. This una place too small, where we go pass? There are shops inside. They are selling slippers. They occupy the whole space, and there is no weight. Even sometimes it's so annoying that these people are not reasonable enough. She will even bend the table towards the road, so that people will have to be so inconvenient people to pass. Why are they this inconsiderate? You are using our lights at night. They close early before, but because we close 10, they also close 10. Because they have been using that place for years. They can't draw light and say they want to put light for themselves. You are using that place for free. We are paying rent. We are paying shop rent. We are paying NEPA bill. So it is we that should be suffering. Why you should be wherever you're fat? You'll be enjoying, and then you will still be annoying us again on top of our team. So please, I came to Mara to please help me beg them to help me or help us move that table away from the road. I have the video here, man. If you want to see it, let me show you of where the table is, and you see it's obstructing the road. You can go over it with this. From here, 1, 2, 3. Short video, there are like 3 there. Go to the next one.
No, sit there, sit there, sit there, sit there. So what is the issue? What is the issue?
This video is showing the narrow road.
What kind of apartment are you seeing? Or is it a shop or house?
It's a shop. I am occupying. This is my own shop. This is the front of my own shop. I sell phones and accessories. But then, see their slippers here. These are their own slippers. See the tiny narrow road left for everyone to pass. This tiny road. That tiny road that's cemented is what is left for everybody to pass. Both the shop owners that are inside and even our own customers.
This is your phone, I don't understand. It's too fun because I can't really. You are selling
Phones
phones
and accessories.
You are behind them. You are behind.
No. Okay, let's say this is my shop now.
Yes.
They are right here.
Yeah.
They are in front of me.
Mm-hmm.
And they are selling shoes, slippers, dunlop, everything. But there's a tiny road left for everyone to pass. That issue of that prompted this thing, the way she jabbed me, got me really
So which
upset.
one? What are you talking about? Are you talking about the road or you are talking
We are
about
talking
the
about, we are talking, see, she's a troublesome person.
Don't judge
And
me.
I don't want, I know that if, even if she's troublesome from now till God's kingdom come, I will not answer her. But I want that space. Let there be space for everyone to pass so that the incident will not repeat itself again. They say, I am sorry. So that they will not say, so that she will not say, okay, it's because she's standing on the road. That's why I push her. She has pushed me several times. And the road is narrow. Ma, if only my camera is so bright, or I can send it to you through Bluetooth so you could view it from your own phone. You will see how narrow the road is. And I have numbers of people here that can call to testify to it that road is too narrow. If you see where our table
if
is,
the road is too narrow, people don't have a chairman.
We have the lawyer here. And we have informed, he's called a lawyer. He's a lawyer because he's the caretaker of the building. Do you know how many times he have gone to the owner of the building to complain and voice our matter to them? They say she, the mother, will go begging and crying, kneeling down. Hey, Joe, please, that they should not, move her. They should not do anything. Do you know that the woman will go there and be begging and be pleading and be crying? Then she will come to our place and be forming Lord. And be forming, as if superwoman.
Which of the office did the mother went to?
The owner, as in the owner of the building, the children. They are the ones in charge of the building. But there's a lawyer that's like a spokesman that collects rent on behalf of them. So when we approach this man, say, this road is too narrow. Please help us talk to the family of this, the owner of this building, that they should talk to this woman. So please make space. Our own building is behind. Okay, for instance, now the building will soon be demolished. Very soon now, the building will soon be demolished. Okay, when they demolish it now to rebuild it, where will they pass and be going out? Because when you want to build a house that is close to the main road, you have to demarcate it with aluminum or what's it called, pan.
When are they going to demolish?
By next year, maybe January, February. It's still on they are still speculating or discussing it. My point is, we are there now, we are using the place. Give us peace of mind.
So how come that it's only you that come to report? Why didn't you call?
Because the matter, now me, as in, she hit me that day. Even before I came to marriage, I reported to a woman they know. I went to her and I told her, I said, Look at how this woman, the way I always adjust customers on the road. Sometimes when they are repairing for, I will tell them, please go and sit down. If you are done discussing with the engineer, go and sit down. If it's my own customer, I say step up, climb the higher place, step up, so you leave the road for people that are passing. I'm always conscious of what is on the road, who is going and who is coming. And I do to others the way I want others to do unto me. But these people are not considerate. Because if they are considerate, they have space in their place. Why can't they move that table to their front and let people pass? It will be easier for all of us.
Give her for let her respond, then we'll know how to visit the place.
According to what she said,
Yes.
we have been selling there before they even built the house. We have like 20 years. They were not even there when we have been selling there. So when they now build the house, the developer did not build the house very well because we have our building there too. So know how we have building there, we will not have the front house. She was not even there then. When they now came to that place, their shop was not open the way they open it now. The door was at the front. So whenever any customer wants to buy, they stay at the front. They don't stay at the road. So when they now came, they now opened that place. So whenever their customers are around, they will now stay on the space that someone will pass. We will even be telling them, excuse. But she herself, she will not even tell them. But they have a space they made that their customer will be sitting down there at the back of our table. She will not even tell them, go and sit down there. That is where you are to sit. The customer will just, even there are even more than 20. They will stay on that road. Even they will move to my shop where I do sell slippers. They will move there. I will even be saying excuse to enter my shop. She will not say anything, and I will not talk. Even today, one of their customers still stay in my phone. I told the customer, excuse. I cannot be saying excuse every time. There's space for you to sit. Go and sit down there. We have been selling there before you came. It's not today, as in that place is not open the way you open it now. The front door is at the front. That is not the way the door is before.
Do you have a shop?
Our shop is at the front and it's at the back too.
So why did you have to park the slippers and block walkway?
We did not block the walkway, man. The walkway is there. The walkway is there, but why the walkway is not free is that whenever their customer comes, that is the place they'll stay. They will not tell them to go to the place they made for them to sit.
Is your slippers not on the walkway?
It's not on the walkway. That's
Them.
where we have been selling before she came.
No, if that is how you have been selling before they came, you are not the owner of the walkway. You have your...
The walkway is separate, ma.
Excuse me. You are the owner of a building, and every building have a limit of where you will operate to.
Yes,
hold on. This is a building, and this is road.
Yes.
This is another person building, and this is road. The person opposite us cannot say because he's a landlord or you have a building there, then you should pack things and come and put on the road where people supposed to walk. Excuse me. Neither with this office, because we have a building here, somebody will move here and you extend until you block road where legs supposed to pass and what is it called? And patronize other customers or any other person.
I understand.
So we will visit there. If your slippers is on the road, you will remove that slippers from there.
Man, we have a walkway there. There's no slippers there.
I said we'll be there. When you will set the market, we'll send delegate there. If they come to that place and check that your slippers is on the road, they will tell you where you be keeping your slippers, and your market, you will not extend it beyond that place.
We did not extend it, man. We did not extend it. Why she's saying that there's no space for I'm jacking her or something like that. Whenever our customer comes, even if we remove that table there, the customer will still be staying there.
Remove this table.
The table she was talking of, the customer will still be staying on the road. We have complained. It's not that I like fighting with her. Even sometimes when she's fighting with my mother, I would even tell my mother, leave her alone. Leave her alone. The other day, her husband said she will kill her children. I said, you cannot kill my children.
Talk something reasonable. Don't talk rubbish.
That's why I said,
Madam,
even that
you
road.
listen to me. You go down. Don't bring that rubbish stuff here.
I've heard you, ma.
Yes. Talk something
That
reasonable.
even
There's anything you want to talk.
Even that road.
You kill children. They don't kill you, na children they won't kill.
Even that road, the table, even though we remove the table, because there's road there, but our customer, she will not tell them, go and sit where we make for you to sit down. They will still stand on the road. And if we are saying excuse, go and sit where they make for you, she will not even tell them that, go and sit down there, where you will sit.
If both of you are selling a different thing, why did you have to be having issues? You are selling slippers, you're selling phone accessories.
That's what
caused people be having problems?
It's because of the road. That's what causes the argument every time, because of the road.
Is she not in the shop?
She's in the shop.
Are you not in the shop?
We are in the shop.
Why can't you remain inside your shop?
And we do sit in. That's what I'm telling you, ma. We do sit in our shop, but the customer will still come and stay in our shop. That we will say excuse. But she will not tell them to go and sit where she made for them.
And they have space where they should be sitting.
Yes, they have the space there. Where she even that space, she made it for her customer before. Now she have put POS there. She have put POS there so that she'll be collecting the money. And I even told Mama not to talk anything. To just, she's the owner, she can use the place. That Mama should not ever to say anything. That is the place she made for her customer to be sit down. But when their customer comes, they would like to stay with because her husband is making phone. He's an engineer. But the customer will not want to sit down. They want to see what her husband is doing. Even the lawyer have even told the husband that whenever your customer is standing, tell them to go and sit down there.
If you have space where your customer sit, why must you allow your customer to stand?
The space where the customers are sitting down is available. But the road, let's assume you want to repair phone now. That's why I came to complain of the narrow road. If you see that
your
pavement,
customers are not supposed to stand on the narrow road.
Yes, if you see that pavement,
because it's supposed to pass.
Because that is the only place of approach. If you are walking, that's why I brought the video. If you walk down, if you climb up to walk down to that plaza now, that is the only path you pass. That's the only place you step on. There's no other place for you to step on. There's a table there. If that table is not there, is that pavement you are saying, the other shop did our own and it's high. If we also should do our own and join in with the woman's own, we will claim that place as the front of our shop. The place they are calling a road path now. If we should join it to that woman's own, it will become a path. And if we open the door, anybody coming through there will go back or will step down. You really have to see the place. Because if she remove that table, passerby can pass through that place.
What?
If she remove that table, that place, that's a table of what's it called, market. There are two tables. She has one giant one and one small one. And then the whole of the gutter, she spread her slippers on top of it. The whole of the gutter, she spread.
Gutter is not your shop.
Man,
gutter is not meant for anybody's shop. You are not to put anything on top of gutter. You have a gutter here. You can't put something on top of gutter.
Man, if I am their customer and I want to approach their goods, I have nowhere to stay. I am supposed to stand on their gutter or to step down close to their table to buy what I want to buy. But because the whole gutter is been covered with their slippers, even more than the gutter. The customers might bend on the road sometimes, interfering with passerby. Then sometimes, because there's Okada, there are buses parking along the road where the customer will stay. The customer will not want to stay there because of they won't want to be hit by bike. They will come towards our side, bend their butt to pick their slippers, obstructing the road. Okay, you are complaining about our own. The customers that want to repair phone approach the engineer. After negotiating price, they need to stand to negotiate price. After negotiating, we advise them, go and sit down. If I have a number here, she's called Esther Otuya. She's Madam Bushop. There are many instances she has heard me. Even customers on that will say, "I they call madam, I'll go and sit down." Now engineer they talk to, I will keep telling them, if you are done, if you are done, please use the chair. Please sit down here. Please sit down here. I am very considerate, and she knows. This woman knows that, and I keep. What are we saying? What she's saying?
You are a very troublesome woman.
What am I saying?
She was not interrupting. Why are you interrupting her? I find rich job for your body.
I actually used to tell customers, please use the chair. Sometimes if it's my own personal customers, I walk out with them, go outside and I say, step up. Because there's a higher pavement and a lower one. I will say, step up from the road. Come, step up and stand beside me, to buy what you want to buy. If it's the market that is inside they want to buy, I will tell them to come and step up and leave the road or come towards me. It is always about being considerate. If they are able to consider that the benefit is not only for me, it's for all of us. That table, we are not asking her to pack her market away. No, there is space in front of them. They can put that same table, right in front of their giant table, and they can still sell there. It will be very easy for our own customer to approach our goods and people passing by to easily access that place.
We will send people to come and check.
Thank you very much.
What is the involvement of Mama?
Ma,
Yes,
can I sit up?
what is the involvement of Mama? Hold on.
Wait, can I sit up, ma?
Which you want to talk?
What I want to say is that she's complaining about our space. That space, that shop she's saying is our shop. That place is not a shop before. It's is a staircase. Under a staircase. It's not a shop before.
But they turn it to shop.
They turn it to shop. And that place is not open like that. It's at the front. It's not that we cannot remove the table, ma. But the table, if we remove the table, the customer will still be staying there. And you will still be saying, excuse. I will even be telling them, I cannot be saying excuse for 1 hour.
Okay,
leave that
hold on. Because I understand what this woman is saying. You have customers. They deliberately put that slippers there so as other people will not be standing blocking their road, their shop, their market.
No, ma. That table is there before.
Okay, you said if you move the table back.
Yes.
They call Mama, sit down, please. The customer, Mama, sit down. The customers are always standing in front of the place.
Yes.
And they are standing because they just give phone, then they will come and stand, waiting for them to fix their phone.
Yes.
And they'll be standing in front
yes,
of
even though they are theory, they will still stand there.
And because they said, excuse me.
Excuse me.
So if you don't see space, you will not stand to disturb. If you, then, for instance, if there is this space, this is my shoes. These are my markets.
Yes.
And you are either here or here. Customer will come to attend to you because either they come to you here and they'll come and stand there waiting for you to finish with them and give to them. They are blocking my markets.
Yes.
And when you say they excuse me, oh sorry ma, they will move here. It's not like I say excuse
They'll
me,
move
sorry,
another place.
they will move to another place. And they will remain in that shop. And no trader will want somebody to stand or block his or her market. I've been to markets and I know, even if I'm standing waiting for someone, I say, excuse me, please, can you shift like this? Or shift in front of my market. No ever. I've not seen any traders that will ever permit anybody standing in front of her shop, because the period you are standing, someone may want to see what I'm selling and patronize. So if you cannot control people that come to your place instead of say, excuse me, or blocking, and if she tell your customer, move out of my front, they say you are very rude. Why are you pursuing me? Do you know whether I want to buy slippers? So in order to avoid your customers or other people blocking her market, she move and block where they will use their leg to stand. So she now put her market there. So if she shift back, and for you can control your customer for none of them to stay in her shop.
Yes, I can do that.
For nobody that come to you to say, engineer, I want to repair my phone, and the person will just say, one person is in your shop, another person will stand and come and block her place. Then she will make the adjustment. Then you control your people.
Exactly.
Let them not stay in front of their shop.
Exactly, I can do that.
Ma'am.
If she move the table, I can control my
Ma'am, can I
step there because that is wrong.
Ma'am, there's another thing I want to say. There's one of his husband's that apprentice. That one asked.
John.
There's one of his husband apprentice. That one has like 6 apprentices. When those ones close from their work, from their shop, they will come down to their shop. They will 6 of them will stay at the road. 6 of them will stay at the road.
What you will do? You first of all go and move your table. Then the ones you are complaining, if you see anyone like that, video them.
Thank you.
Come and give us.
Thank you, ma'am.
So if you video them, you come and show us. You will reposition your table.
Yes, ma'am.
And let everybody mind that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Go there tomorrow on Monday. Shift your table from the walkway.
Yes, ma'am.
If they are still behaving like that, they gather themselves, stay there, video them.
Yes, ma'am.
Move yourself here. Then we will tell you, position your table where nobody will come and block your space of market.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, you want to say something? Give Mama, sit down.
Only the joke.
Ejoko, Mama.
That road wey she dey talk,
Mm.
na I come back for it.
Okay.
That house wey I dey, I never born this one when I leave that house. So you dey hear me?
Mm.
And my oga go Las Vegas, do that thing, iron block. Because my oga dey use motor that time. He put 2 for road to person to enter. I think you hear me.
Yes, Mama.
When do they wan do the house, they comot 1. No be say the man comot am, that developer. She enter the gutter. Na 2 enter the gutter sef. But I come call the baba say, make you help me put this thing back because people go enter house. Baba come do the iron back, come put the stone back there. So when him husband come, the thing wey I dey talk now, e never reach whether na 2 years or 1 year. He go carry block, cement, she put for that the block wey dem dey take enter. Aunty dey hear me? Bá mi explain kini yẹn, iron kini bàbá ẹ̀.
Mama, tell Mama
Ma,
say.
it's okay. The one I explain.
Don't
stress
tell
her.
Mama say that old school story. I don't get stressed to hear am.
Shey you dey hear me?
Mama, I don't.
The thing wey dey cause wahala now I dey talk.
Mama,
She no suppose to put the block and cement for
Yes,
that
outside.
one, no need that one, Mama.
Man, it's not that I'm not considerate, but whenever their customers are standing, she and her husband, they will never tell them, go and sit down. Even the lawyer complain, even there's one day the lawyer said they will not open that shop again because they don't used to tell their customer to go and sit down.
And the space where customer will sit down.
The space that is the place she made for POS now.
one lawyer, one day one lawyer go come. Lawyer say, mama, no be your fault. Give her.
No beat mama, I go slap you for this office. When they make you the beat mama, mama supposed to talk now. They mention mama name.
But you said you don't want to hear own story.
Nah, I know say the story come long now. Mama won't tell me how in your husband when they
Build house.
toast each other. When mama talk am.
So that's what I'm saying. It's not that I'm not considerate. But
As you say, so
Grandma,
something happen. Say,
The truth. Eh?
true to God.
Oh. Mama say that
Is that way you
Mama go
say,
need
you know,
Only
go my
Grandma.
children. I won't go station, go report her.
Okay, mama sit down first.
Eh,
They
no
know they stand up, they talk here.
I
You
won't
must
go
sit down
station,
to
go
talk.
report her. Now she tell me say make I give her. Me too, I don say I get God. I dey serve God. Nothing go do my
children.
pikin. I go meet am for up. Shey na true we talk. He say yes.
Even
He say
she
make I go carry the people wey I wan for carry. I say ha. And you just come back from Kirikiri. If you see am, you leave. Now because I dey pity person. I dey pity person as you see me so. I no dey want make peace no dey where I dey. I come tell am say if I carry you go prison now, which gain wey I go gain there as e dey like this? And you just come back from prison. I need to hear me.
Yes, mama.
So I can't leave am. This one say make I leave am, leave am. This one wey happen sef like this the day before yesterday. I wan go station make I go report. He say make I leave am, nothing go happen. So as dem come carry call am, he come call me say, so I don go report for human rights. But human rights, it's okay. You go. Shebi na you say make I no report. They don go report to you now. E good.
Mama.
even this her daughter.
Something like this, e go full am. Take it on the pikin.
Allow mama to talk. We no dey hold mama like this. Wetin happen?
The pikin do something for me one day. They wan buy market for front. I go carry pure water inside my shop. The pikin call me. I sell market 4,005. Okay, if I carry him baba go prison, which day?
Im papa, im pikin say wetin?
If pikin, they wan buy market for front. This one never come. Na the pikin call me. I tell him baba, I sell the market. The person wey call me for 4,500.
And na im pikin call
But
you.
yes, pikin call
You
me.
see, that's why you people need to dey
Even
together.
her daughter used to greet me every day, but she don't know. She used to greet me and I do answer
You
her.
go use backyard.
What concerns me? I have my own children. Even if my children,
She will tell the children that come and leave that place.
Yeah, that's why you like it.
Make God no turn am to Olawokun.
yes,
Children go insult me.
I'm not using
She
children.
go use pikin dey insult me. Say
See,
because me I get one pikin.
it's a lie.
That is exactly.
It's a lie.
Can you show me some?
See, ma,
Can you show me
whenever
some
our
lie?
children, our daughter and my children, they are playing, they do play very well.
Because they are in the same school. You know I carried that baby before from school.
Even me too.
You
Me
don't carry
too.
my
I
baby.
do.
Why
I
you
carry
my
your
baby?
daughter.
My baby is not a baby. My baby is 10 years.
He followed us that day. I did not carry him, but he followed us
Oh
that
my
day.
goodness. You know I am. I
I
don't
see.
have anything against this
Me too,
woman.
I don't have anything
I don't
against-
know why she's.
Madam,
I don't
Mama
friend
say
her
that-
boyfriend.
that's why I say make
I
mama
don't let
no
her
talk.
husband.
Mama
I don't know
joke,
what the
oh.
problem is.
Even me, I do
I
have
don't know
your
what the problem is.
I
We're
don't
not
know.
saying the same
Yes,
market.
now.
I don't know what the problem is. That's why
I don't know.
anytime if she insults me, I will just keep
You do
quiet.
insult me.
Oh.
You do insult me.
How? So I will just stay
Even
insult
if
you.
It's okay.
Okay.
You sef, we dey claim innocent. You are not too innocent now. As in dey talk now, you are interrupting. Don't even let person talk. No be market talk be that one. Now you dey claim you too educated. Now you dey claim innocent. Now you dey claim you no get no make trouble. But you are still making the trouble in this office. They pay you what if the market na like that market they build am like that. Say okay, for instance, no be then they put the market. Say they hold the market now, everybody come there, people come speak, go tip landlord, everybody put their small. Go to computer village where to pass. You can't even see where pass. Motor dey jam body, they meet everybody. Everybody just dey rub up and down.
She started jabbing and pushing.
I'm not jabbing you. I'm not. Even sometimes Mama will ask me to pass that road at my market.
It's okay, oh, it's okay, market women. German woman.
Where is the phone now?
Now they make my camera they talk wuri. Abeg sit one place. This talk when I talk, say don't make my camera they shake. I don't know. See, my dear sister, I will not want to hear trouble between you and this woman. When you came and they say now you, I say as you find it. Even if you are selling inside market, somebody like you dress come out, people supposed to respect you. And even if they see you inside market the way you dey sell, the way you look, people supposed to respect you. If I enter market, see somebody like you, they exchange words. I will say, who do this woman? No do am well. I will cause who make you somebody like you, they make trouble inside market. It's not everybody that you sell inside market. You must not turn yourself to market woman. When some things will happen, you just look at because you respect yourself, you avoid that trouble. Let not people see you. Hey, Olori Buruku. You can't do like, oh, if I look, I say, no. This fine woman can behave like this in the public inside market. I will not even respect you. And if I even see what you are selling, I will not brush the plate because I will believe you will insult me. So please, you have to behave like a decent woman. The way you find rich, behave like the way you be. You understand me? Yes. Because I'm surprised when you say, now you then bring and say, as you find rich, they make trouble. Right? Please, both of you need to say neighbor and then be your first parent. Now neighbor, they first save you first before you even think of another person. You see, as mama dey, now that's why elderly people, you go respect them. Mama, they think her daughter call her, say customer day, and that day she sell market 4,000 something.
She told me.
If this child no go call mama say customer day, how she for sell that market? And because of that thing, she feel let go of something and make peace. And that is how life supposed to be. You remember the good thing person do for you. Don't remember the bad. Or if you remember the bad, you will not remember the good thing.
Yes.
If she say now, okay, her daughter they greet you behind. If you and the mother know, if you don't like that girl, why you they call they greet the child when the child they greet you behind? That is why it is good to be close to neighbors. You and her must not be eating food for one plate, but you must make peace. Yes. If the customer there, hello, please come and sit here. If they are staying in front of no, please don't stay because you are blocking market. Can you come and sit here?
Exactly.
And you, as you talk now, you too go say the customer. If you cannot, I can't be your neighbor. Make I no sell market now. Everybody come market, come sell.
Yes.
You go come call her, hey, yeah, Julie, I beg call your customer so they don't block road. You say, hey, no, don't block the road. I beg. I need to say. Then she go call them also to one side. You understand? If customer look for her and maybe the space too much, they don't get space to sit down. If you get space where they will sit down for your visit, call them. Me, I don't buy something for person worth almost 8,000 inside market. Where be say I no planner to buy am. I go do something, I go sew clothes. People dey much for that tailor place. And the other person where they sell market, say, I'll come and sit here now instead of waiting for the person. Because I was waiting for them to adjust the clothes because the clothes too big. And they asked me to come and sit there because people plenty for my tailor shop. I went and sit there. While I sit there, I bought so many things for her shop. Because of what? Her kindness. For her not to say, go out of front of my shop because I was standing there. She said, come and sit. You can come and sit. And she give me one stool to sit by her shop, waiting for my tailor to adjust my this thing. That was how I buy a wig for her shop, bought this beads from over 8,000 plus. So if she drive me from blocking her shop, will I have bought that thing? So please, it is good for everybody to maintain peace. You love your neighbor, neighbor love you, you help him, he help you. This kind of matter is not supposed to come. You have to tell you and tell Mama, please help us adjust this so that people know. I not go adjust, and the reason why they adjust, I know they adjust because these people disagree, block my road. Okay, I will know what to do. Anytime they stay there, I'll tell them leave immediately. I will not allow them to stay. But if you say go out of my shop, you can't they see say you are enemy of progress. Why customer go sit stand in front of you? No say customer and my customer say make the person no stay. Now in they bring all this kind of wahala. Black angel, with this your eye, how do they call am? Shegu Odegbami eye. How do they call this one myself? This now for low sexy eye. No, black is beautiful. Please calm down. Yeah. Forgive everything because you people's children stay together. What both of you are doing, you don't know what the children are doing behind. Anyhow you want children reach, they are always children. No talk to this mama Yabo Pikino. If they go school, they must talk. No collect anything, no greet them. If they see them, they must greet. And it is not good to train children in that way. So please, because of the children and because you people are neighbor, maintain peace. Okay? So both of you hug each other. Yeah. Hug each other. Now you can report, hug her. Don't give me a condition. Why you do that? Last time, just I beg go and hug her.
I don't get power to go carry my children.
They know they help person when the person stand they help
You don't
person.
reach.
Oh yeah, hug.
I want to say, let me go back to
make shame catch people when to say na one fight.
let me go back to go carry my children.
Mama, it's okay.
But let me, the thing what she do for me.
Wetin you do? Apologize to mama.
Let me say you do bad.
I know they do
But the
anything
thing
bad.
what she dey do, I don't like her.
No
Wetin
vex,
I dey do?
mama
dey
forgive
fine.
her na your children.
Make pikin no play together. No good.
No disturb any children. Come. Now the playing of the children. Hold on. Listen to me. Now the playing of those children. Now the playing of the children. I go bring children for you. But the children also will need other children around them. When they play, the children play with other mates. You see that the spirit of those children will drag children to you. You don't tell child don't play with another child. No try that one. That one now you are even hindering yourself mostly when you are looking for a child. This Lagos mama wey go for Lagos, their matter no be here. If you try them, mama ẹ má bínú. Okay, mama. Anytime you want come, mama come here. Germany. Now because of your nose, I dey call it Germany. Now only German people they get this kind of nose. Abeg, mama, make na adjust the table on Monday. Yeah. I don't want to send people come there where they come say human right to wear uniform. Land data market say shift. That kind of thing they embarrass. Make you go there, adjust time, okay? Make na make peace go there, greet as you see customer there. Please beg the customer to no be say, hey, Joe, abeg comot, I no wan wahala. No talk that kind of thing. You just go there, please sit here. Don't stay here because you are blocking other people's markets. You have to let your customer understand that they don't need to block anybody's work. And not be say, abeg comot from there, make them no come insult me. Don't talk that kind of thing. That kind of thing is provocative and also it's not a peaceful statement. All right. Have a wonderful mama. No better than thank you.
Thank you, mama. God will get more anointing.
Amen. Amen. Thank you, mama. Yeah. Come and open door for them, please. It's not locked. Okay, it's not locked. John, please come and help me.
My landlord, he give me 7 days.
Madam, I tell you to wait for me.
Okay.
Are you repeating statement when you repeat them?
My sister.
Yes,
I'll come
Mama.
back.
No problem, Mama.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. Okay, Mama. Yeah. Black is beauty.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Alele, if my phone spoil, I will call you to call repair it.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, thank you, viewers, for being with us. Please go back and meet Chairman where Chairman did now. Have a wonderful weekend. My face is precious. I will not show you the face. The face is to be shown to Chairman, only Chairman this weekend. So, bye. Who are those tumbling now? Mama says she will come back. Amen. Oh, amen. Amen. Thank you. Ife Saju. They are not paying for part 2. Amen. Bless you too, pretty Lucia. Come back. I will not to Felicia. I will not. Thank you, precious. Yes, so Evelyn. I will not. Please switch to Italy fast. Amen. Bless you too. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy your weekend. Stay out of trouble. God bless you all. Bye. Meet Chairman in his kingdom. Jolomo of Italian kingdom. When I go meet Chairman,